in. The medical report in the Dehradun assault case has laid bare the extent of injuries suffered by Angel Chakma, the 24-year-old student from Tripura who died days after being brutally attacked in Dehradun. Now, according to the medical record, there are details that have come in that he was brought to the emergency department on the 9th of December with a history of assault near an area. In fact, the report states that the victim suffered from severe head and neck trauma, including neurological deficits. Scans and imaging also reveal that Angel Chakma had suffered a hemorrhage as well, which is bleeding around the brain. And these are the details that have been obtained from the medical report that details the kind of attack that he had to go through. My colleague Kritika joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Kritika, some of these details mentioned in the medical report are extremely chilling and show the extent of assault to the neck and head is where he has been severely injured. What are the details? Break it down for us. What does the medical report say?
Yes, Pratibha. Firstly, there was a brain injury as well. He got hurt on the backside of his head. This injury is also around 0.5 to 2 centimeters in dimension. And because of this brain injury, he suffered what is known as subarachnoid hemorrhage, which is bleeding in the brain. This is above the layer of the brain. Those ventricles were bleeding, and that is why it led to a hemorrhage situation as well, which was later confirmed in the CT scan, as well as in the MRI reports that were conducted at the very hospital. On his spinal cord also, it suffered a 3 centimeter deep wound and laceration on his spinal cord. Now, because of these two injuries, he lost use and function of the right side of his body. What this means is neither was he able to feel. There was a complete lack of sensation as well as a lack of movement. That is why he was also put on oxygen support. And different vitals were also checked as far as the status of Angel Chakma is also concerned. The report also details that there were multiple scratch marks. Basically, if he was dragged around, then those scratch marks were also witnessed on his foot. And ultimately, it is because of these head injuries as well as the spinal cord injury that he lost nerve function, and which is why ultimately it led to the death of Angel over 2 weeks later from the date of the first assault, which was on the 9th of December. This is what the details, these are the details that Timestar has been able to access as far as the medical report of Angel is concerned. Remember, these two major injuries, they also detail the type of injuries, the dimension. Doctors say and experts also say they appear to be blunt wound injury. So the entire angle of how there was a bracelet on the hand of the now absconding Nepali resident as well, that could have been, that is now being used to establish a direct relation because it's a blunt injury. The dimensions do mention that this is how he had gotten hurt, and the spinal injury also lost to an immediate loss of nerve function. So he was presented in a state, even though his BP was normal, his other vitals were, oxygen levels were also pretty normal. It is his spinal function that he had lost, and that is why the relatives had also said that they were hoping that Angel would be able to turn around and he will be able to recover as well in the long admission period that he had to be in the hospital. Over to you.
Okay, all right. So his right side had been paralyzed completely after this attack. He battled for 17 days. Some very, very terrifying details that have come in from the medical report that show the extent of the assault that he had to go through. In fact, Times Now has also spoken exclusively to a friend of Angel who has narrated the chilling details of the attack.
एग्जैक्टली कहाँ से क्या शुरुआत हुई थी?
हुआ ये था कि वो और उसका भाई मार्केट गए थे सामान लेने के लिए, सेला कोई मार्केट देहरादून में। फिर मैम ये हुआ कि 6 लड़के थे, उन्होंने ड्रिंक की हुई थी। जी हाँ। जिसमें से कि 6 लड़के थे, उन्होंने ड्रिंक की हुई थी।
ये जो बाकी लोग थे?
हाँ, जिन्होंने मारा है।
और ये कहाँ के थे? देहरादून के ही थे?
मैम एक लड़का नेपाल का है जिसने मेन चाकू मारा था।
वो नेपाल का है?
हाँ, वो अभी तक पकड़ा नहीं गया है। बाकी 5 पकड़े गए हैं और 2 उसमें जुवेनाइल कोर्ट उसमें है, अंडर
और बाकी जो 5 लड़के थे वो मतलब देहरादून के ही थे?
यस मैम, वो देहरादून के थे, लोकल थे।
लोकल्स। हाँ,
फिर मैम इसके जो छोटा भाई माइकल, उसको उसके संग मतलब वो आपस में गाली गलौज कर रहे थे, तो माइकल को लगा कि उसको गाली दी, तो वो माइकल जब पूछने गया कि आप क्यों अब्यूज कर रहे हैं, तो उसको चिढ़ाना स्टार्ट कर दिया कि ये हट यहाँ से, ऐसा वैसा करके बोला। तो उसको फिर उसका मतलब उसका मजाक बनाया उसके जहाँ का वो बिलोंग करता है। फिर उसको मारना स्टार्ट कर दिया उसके भाई को। फिर एंजल बचाने गया तो
माइकल को है ना? हाँ,
माइकल को पहले मारा, फिर एंजल उसको बचाने गया तो उतने में उसके पीछे किसी ने चाकू मार दिया। फिर उसके मतलब बैकबोन में मारा, एक मारा उसके पेट पे, राइट साइड पे। दो जगह चाकू से मारा और सर में कड़ा मारा था उसके।
तो ये जो उसको जिसने अटैक किया है वो एक नेपाल से जो बंदा है उसने
अटैक
किया
तो सबने किया था,
सबने किया। ओके
बट मेन चाकू जो मारा था वो नेपाल का लड़का था जो पकड़ा नहीं गया अभी तक।
ओके ओके ओके।
और फिर मैम फिर वहां से फोन दिया था दो तीन दोस्तों को, फिर वो लेके उसको हॉस्पिटल गए, ग्राफिक एरा देहरादून। तो वो वहाँ पे उसको एडमिट किया था। तो डॉक्टर फिर उसका MRI वगैरह सब कुछ किया। तो पहले उसकी सर्जरी हुई थी मैम उसकी बैकबोन की, एंटीरियर सर्वाइकल की। तो डॉक्टर ने ना उसके मतलब हेड में चोट लगी थी, तो वो बोलता था कि मेरे सर में चोट दर्द हो रहा है, बहुत पेन हो रहा है। हम जो मिलने आए थे उससे, तो डॉक्टर ने उसको मतलब पेन
हेड में कड़े से मारा या फिर नाइफ
मारा था मैम? कड़े से।
हाँ, ओके
जी। फिर उसकी सर्जरी हेड की नहीं करी, बाद पहले नहीं करी, पहले बैकबोन की करी। उसके बाद मैम सर्जरी के बाद वो ठीक था, उसने बात भी करी थी। उसी रात मैंने डॉक्टर का फोन आया कि इसको मतलब शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा वेंटिलेटर में क्योंकि इसकी ऑक्सीजन बंद हो गई है।
ओके ओके।
एकदम से उन्होंने ये बोला। फिर उसको शिफ्ट कर दिया वेंटिलेटर में। एक हफ्ता वो वेंटिलेटर में था। उसका ब्रेन में स्वेलिंग आ गई थी, उसका ब्रेन कोई काम,
इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग था।
हाँ, स्टार्टिंग में हुआ था पर बाद में रुक गया था वो। बट वो इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग के कारण उसका वो साइंस सब बंद हो गए थे।
ओके।
फिर मैम अभी 26 को सुबह 4 बजे फोन आता है कि इसकी डेथ हो गई है, इसको ले जाइए यहाँ से, ऐसा मतलब।
Now, the police officials in Dehradun have also gone on record to deny the racial attack angle. In fact, the SSP of Dehradun, while speaking to Times Now, has said that no racial remarks were made and that the attack happened after a heated verbal assault between both the sides.
कोई रेशियल रिमार्क्स है, चूंकि जो भी हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी आई है, ये हमें समझना जरूरी है कि जो दूसरी तरफ से जो अक्यूज है वो भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट से रिलेटेड थे। उसमें एक जो अक्यूज है वो मणिपुर का रहने वाला था और सेकंड वन इज नेपालीज ओरिजिन। तो रेशियल रिमार्क्स की बात नहीं है। एक तरफ से एक पक्ष जो था वो आपस में कमेंट कर रहे थे, आपस में जैसे कहते हैं कि चूंकि इसमें 2 अंडर एज थे, और उस कमेंट में आपस में कमेंट को ऐसा प्रतीत हुआ कि जैसे वो सेकंड पार्टी जो भी अग्रीड पार्टी है उनको लगा कि उनके लिए किया जा रहा है। उसी पर हॉट टॉक्स हुई, उसके बाद ही झगड़ा हुआ था। डेफिनेटली बिकॉज अगर कुछ ऐसा होता तो एक तरफ से जो एक पक्ष है, जो अक्यूज पक्ष है, वो खुद भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट से है, तो रेशियल कमेंट्स का तो ओरिजिन नहीं। मैंने
Kritika continues to stay live with us, and Kritika, from the account of the brother Michael, it was a racial attack. He spoke about how they had gone to the grocery store when they were targeted, and he claimed that it was a targeted attack, that there were racial slurs, and that's what led to this verbal argument that then escalated to this clash that led to Angel's death. But the police officials seem to have a completely different story. What are they saying, and why are they denying that it's a racial attack?
Exactly, Pratibha. We have also on Times Now, we've spoken to Mr. Tarun as well in the noon, and he had also detailed about the kind of remarks that was made against Angel. But now the police officials are telling us that the primary reason why they refuse to try this and they refuse to investigate this entire case as an example or as an instance of racial abuse is simply because they say that one of the accused is from Manipur, another northeastern state, another absconding, the accused who is absconding currently is a resident of Nepal, and this is what they are believing to be the basis for this entire exchange and clash to not be racially insensitive and racially motivated. What the police officers have told us earlier is that there were these 6 people in a group ranging from 15 years to 25 years. All of them were drinking. They were in different states of inebriation as well, and they were making loose comments amongst each other. This was a private conversation that was happening in an open space where the Chakma brothers were also present. Upon hearing racially insensitive slurs being thrown around. Angel and Michael had protested to it. They had taken offense to this. This is what the police officials are saying on the basis of the testimony given by the accused. It is then when the accused, as per the police, the accused also tried to tell the Chakma brothers that they are only having a private conversation. But the scuffle increased, the verbal spats also increased, with Angel and Michael telling this group as well that such commentary should not be made and how this is racially insensitive as well. And this then later led to a scuffle. Now the police officials continue to hold that this will not be tried as a racial, in fact, incident. It is not, that angle is not going to be a part of the probe. It is simply a case of loose talks. This is what the SSP had said, that this was a case of loose talks, hot-headed younger people getting involved in a brawl. So the SSP clearly here, the Dehradun police clearly here is trying to, in fact, take the entire element of hate crime away from this exchange. What they continue to, in fact, tell press as well as follow in their investigation is how there was a clash, and their entire priority currently also rests on arresting the absconding who appears to have fled to either the Uttar Pradesh border or back to Nepal as well.
Okay, all right. Kritika, do stay with us. Is this an attempt to downplay the racial attack? Because we've spoken to the father, we've spoken to the friends of Angel as well. And apart from that, the complaint that was given to the police officials as well details very clearly the kind of racial slurs that were directed towards him. And that is what escalated. That has been mentioned in the complaint to the police officials. And yet, the police officials continue to claim that it was not a racial attack. Listen in to what they have said.
कोई रेशियल रिमार्क्स है, चूंकि जो भी हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी आई है, ये हमें समझना जरूरी है कि जो दूसरी तरफ से जो अक्यूज है वो भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट से रिलेटेड थे. उसमें एक जो अक्यूज है वो मणिपुर का रहने वाला था और सेकंड वन इज नेपालीज ओरिजिन. तो रेशियल रिमार्क्स की बात नहीं है. एक तरफ से एक पक्ष जो था वो आपस में कमेंट कर रहे थे, आपस में जैसे कहते हैं कि चूंकि इसमें 2 अंडर एज थे, और उस कमेंट में आपस में कमेंट को ऐसा प्रतीत हुआ कि जैसे वो सेकंड पार्टी जो भी अग्रीड पार्टी है उनको लगा कि उनके लिए किया जा रहा है. उसी पर हॉट टॉक्स हुई और उसके बाद ही झगड़ा हुआ था. डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज अगर कुछ ऐसा होता तो एक तरफ से जो एक पक्ष है जो अक्यूज पक्ष है वो खुद भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट से है, तो रेशियल कमेंट्स का तो ओरिजिन नहीं. मैंने
Now, the Tripura Chief Minister has also said that the Uttarakhand CM has assured him of justice in the case, with 5 people already being arrested. Manik Saha said that he has been in constant touch with the local authorities and also the victims' family members, and that the Tripura government is ready to extend all possible support.
उन्होंने मुझे एश्योरेंस किया है कि इन लोगों को जो जस्टिस देना है वो जस्टिस दिलाएंगे, और उनको अभी 5 आदमी को अरेस्ट किया है. नहीं, मैं आज कोशिश किया उन लोगों से बात करने के लिए, उनसे मिलूंगा मैं, और नियमित रूप से वहाँ का जो एमएलए है शंभूलाल चाकमा, उसके साथ मैं जब से ये घटना घटी तभी से मैं उनसे हमेशा बात किया. मैंने क्या सिचुएशन है, कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए क्या नहीं, तो ये बोल रहे हैं मैंने जो चाहते हैं वही हम लोग रेडी हैं उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए.
So the basis of the argument of the police officials, or they claim that this is not a racial attack, seems to be that the accused was also from Northeast. So Kritika, this is the reason why the police officials are saying that the accused were also from Northeast and one was also from Nepal. So they say that there is no racial angle to it. Is there anything else that the police officials have revealed? Were the accused known to the victim? What actually led to this attack? We'll go back to Kritika in just a moment, but it raises multiple questions, especially since the police officials now claim that there is no racial slur angle to it at all. Congress leader Rashid Alvi joins us on the broadcast. Mr. Rashid Alvi, amid a lot of outrage across the country over this incident, you have the police officials who are saying that the accused are also from the Northeast. So this is not a case of racial attack. Is this an attempt to downplay it?
It is not important whether it was racial or what. Police is responsible, and it was definitely a case of lynching. Boy was Hindu, and in spite of that, he has been killed. So just I want to ask those people, what is the difference between a Hindu boy who was killed in Bangladesh and the same thing is happening here in India? So why we are shouting? Why we are raising this issue that it is happening in Bangladesh? You are also doing the same thing. It is very unfortunate. And this is BJP government of Uttarakhand which is responsible for this. I am sorry, this wherever BJP government exists, it happens there. Whether it is Odisha or Uttarakhand.
Okay. Similar incident, unfortunately, has also been reported from Kerala. But Mr. Rashid Balvi, coming back to the incident in Dehradun, the police officials say that this was not a hate crime, that it was not racial. It was just an argument that broke out and it happened to have escalated to this extent.
If there is lynching, definitely it is hate crime.
Okay.
What is the definition of hate crime?
Okay.
You hate that boy, that is the reason he has been killed.
Okay.
Why? What? Police should specify what is the definition of hate cases. So it is, unfortunately, it is condemnable and police is responsible for this.
Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast, Mr. Rashid Alvi. In fact, we have spoken to the police officials in Dehradun as the investigations are ongoing. Remember, one accused is absconding, and this is what the police officials have now said about the incident.
हाँ, बेसिकली ये इंसिडेंट बहुत ही सैड और ट्रेजिक इंसिडेंट था और इसमें जो भी इसमें अननोन में जो इसमें रजिस्टर्ड करी थी एफआईआर जो रजिस्टर्ड हुई थी बिकॉज दे डोंट नो ईच अदर और इसके बाद जैसे ही रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ था तो सीसीटीवी फुटेज और अन्य माध्यम से जो अक्यूज थे उनकी पहचान की गई थी। इसमें 6 लोग इसमें आइडेंटिफाइड हुए थे और 6 लोग आइडेंटिफिकेशन के बाद इसमें 2 लोग बाद में इसमें कोर्ट के थ्रू जब हमने 5 लोग को अरेस्ट किया था 2 लोग अंडर एज के सर्टिफिकेट लगाए थे जिस पर वो बाल सुधार गृह में उनको भेजा गया है। इसमें एक अभी एट लार्ज
So investigations continue, but it's unfortunate a life has been lost, and now many from the political spectrum have come out to say that this hate must be called out. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.